Hello friends and welcome to Fact World. Today I'm gonna tell you 10 fascinating facts about our own planet Earth. So let's begin. Fact number 10. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing. Well, this deceleration is happening almost imperceptibly at approximately 17 milliseconds per 100 years. Although the rate at which it occurs is not perfectly uniform, this has the effect of lengthening our days, but it happens so slowly that it could be as much as 140 million years before the length of a day will have increased to 25 hours. So at that time, our morning will be a whole day. Fact number 9. The Earth was once believed to be the center of the universe. Well, due to the apparent movements of the sun and the planets in relation to their viewpoint, ancient scientists insisted that the Earth remained static while other celestial bodies traveled in circular orbits around it. Eventually, the view that the sun was at the center of the universe was postulated by Copernicus, though this is not the case. So even though you know this fact, you can just learn it as a GK that Copernicus was the one who said that the sun was at the center of the universe. Anyways, fact number 8. Earth has a powerful magnetic field. This phenomena is caused by the nickel-iron core of the planet. Coupled with its rapid rotation, this field protects the Earth from the effects of solar winds. Well, all thanks to this iron and nickel core. Anyways, fact number 7. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Well, the other 7 planets in our solar system are all named after Roman gods or goddesses. Although only Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn were named during ancient times because they were visible to the naked eye. The Roman method of naming planets was retained after the discovery of Uranus and Neptune. Now that's an old mythical fact. Fact number 6. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. This varies according to the part of the planet. For example, the metallic core is denser than the crust. The average density of the Earth is approximately 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter. That's a lot of maths. Fact number 5. Earth's gravity isn't uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But in reality, the planet's surface is bumpy and water flow, ice drift and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. These variations are known as gravity anomalies. A mountain range such as Himalayas causes a positive gravity anomaly. Conversely, the presence of ocean trenches or dips in the land caused by glaciers millennia ago leads to negative gravity anomaly. Well, now this is a high-fi level science. Fact number 4. Now this is the most funniest and the most fascinating fact in the whole list. Ironically, the driest place in the world, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. Average annual rainfall in Arica, Chile is just 0.8 millimeters or 0.03 inches. It is believed that Atacama's Calama city saw no rainfall for 400 years until a sudden storm fell in 1972. So now you know that storms don't only cause destruction, sometimes they are helpful. Now, fact number 3. The days are getting longer. Okay, now day is 24-hour cycle, in case you don't know. Anyways, when Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason? The moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. Fact number 2. The moon is not Earth's only companion. There are two other bodies orbiting near Earth that are sometimes referred to as moons, though they are not strictly worthy of the title. Discovered in 1986, 3753 Kryten is an asteroid that actually orbits the Sun. Since it takes the same amount of time to orbit the Sun as Earth, it looks as if Kryten is following our planet. Well, don't tell this fact to Moon, or he's gonna get red just like Mars because of jealousy. Just kidding. Fact number 1. The speed of moving continents is same as growing nails. Well, here's an interesting fact about the Earth's crust. It consists of different plates floating perpetually on the Earth mantle, moving at the same rate that a person's fingernails grow. Okay friends, so at last we have reached at the end of our video. Do let me know in the comments below which fact you liked the most. I will soon be back with another video. Till then, keep exploring. Thanks for giving me your time.